Alright, Animal Company. I want to talk about something. Alright, I respect this. What is this, though? What is this? Whoever made that, I swear. It's actually kind of cool. No. You want to get the Steam? And it's only Steam exclusive? Okay, Disco Hat is exclusive. This, I respect it for $5. This, $30. Yes, $30. Now, put this to 1,700 or 700. Let's say. Chameleon, no one's wearing this, and anyone barely wears this skin with its stupid hands and its bag. No one's wearing that turtle. The frog, set this to 4,000, buddy. Yes, the pug. The pug should be raised to 5,000. The cat, I mean, depends. But it's a really good skin. So, what? The kitten is really good. Set this to 5,000 though. This, no one's wearing this. Will look like a fairy wearing this. Set this to 4,000. Set this to 4,000. I'm not buying a German Shepherd for 6,000. No, I'm not buying that, actually. Just give me 4,000. But I do respect the skin. I do not like the skin. Chopped face, chopped hands, and the chopped yacht. Like, you can literally dig into its butthole. You can't do that with the German Shepherd. Or the honeybee, it doesn't even have a butt. Neither this does. Or yacht. This is ugly. The ones with the tails are kind of ugly, except the German Shepherds and the cats. Okay, nobody's wearing this. Set this. Yeah, no, that's not a good price. But this is 6,000. I mean, this is good. Okay. Next thing I want to talk about. Like, all of these are respectable, but who's buying a steel chair? Set this to 2. Now, these are respectable. But all for the Biolab update. Shucks. Give us 5,000 company coins. Remove, or you can have the outfit. Just no one's wearing that. Dory, just give us at least 100,000 nuts. Nobody wants nuts. Set us to 15 company points and give us 2,000 company coins. You put this and this here. Now you got Walmart. No one's wearing these. No one's being under that. And some idiots would buy this. I don't know who, but I don't know. These are like the good store, but oh, okay. I like this. Except if it didn't look more like a girl. Like the AC thing. So that's all I wanted to talk about. Yachts. What they say. Animal Company thing. Backrooms teasers in the Discord. Now why put the Biolab over there? Put it over there. And don't add a day and night cycle. That scares me when I'm at night. I'm playing at night right now. And yeah, I respect all of these, but why? How is the water balloon a thing? And how do I even own that? Animal Company made me buy this. Even this. What the heck? Oh wait, you can like double jump and get something with it. Wait, I understand. This is like PvP. Thank you, Animal Company. This one, you could just splash people with it. Hope y'all are. Nope. I hope y'all. What are you doing? Okay, Gyat. Okay, Gyat. I'll see y'all later. Um, and, yeah, I'll see y'all later.